Our Accuro Korle Zephyra radiator is available in two colours, brushed aluminium and anthracite black. It's made from energy efficient aluminium, which is a superconductor. This means that it heats up and cools down rapidly, so you can achieve the ideal temperature with ease. Aluminium radiators are also lightweight, meaning installation is quick and easy. With a high BTU output, this fabulous radiator will sufficiently heat any sized interior. Its unique vertical design is perfect for tall and narrow walls and will allow you to make optimum use of your wall space. Available in 4 sizes, you can be sure to find the ideal size to suit your home. Each radiator is pressure tested to 10 bar and comes with a 5-year guarantee. For a home that's both warm and stylish all year through, look no further than our Accuro Korle Zephyra designer radiator.